Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix dispatch low level fatal error or fatal error on PC. So let's find the solutions. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC and exit Steam. So first of all, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart PC as well as Steam. After that, launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If not, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. Now if this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that try to log into the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next is to stop overclocking of CPU or GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it, and after that try to log into the game and check if it's working now. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to first click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after the game is added to the list, from here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon, under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. From here you have to select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check whether it's working. Next method is to install. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC and again log into the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here from the left side you have to click on Windows Update, and then you will get check for updates option. Click on it and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to select it, and after selecting it, right click on it, click on enter. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next method is to run the game through firewall or allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. Now select the game, whether first of all search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, from here you have to first select it. So first of all, select the game, and after that make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. Is to disable third-party applications. If there is any third-party applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to roll back your graphics cards. So simply go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it and go to the properties, go to the driver, and here you can see rollback driver. Simply click on it and then click on OK, and after that try to log into the game and check if it's working now. To disable antivirus software, so if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and then try to log into the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC, and after that you have to restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam, and after that reinstall dispatch game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.